And here, I will ask the band to play the Ghana national anthem.
There is a new African in the world. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole of us.
But today, may I call upon you all that at this great day, let us all remember that nothing in the world can be done unless it's have the support of God. We have won the battle, and we dedicate ourselves not only in the struggle to emancipate other territories in Africa. Our independence is meaningless unless it lifts up the total repression of the African continent. Freedom! Freedom! Freedom!